Beautiful fabrics. And I mean beautiful. I'm so excited. All right, so this is great denim. We don't get denim that often. This is Alexander Wang. It is not stretch. It is just a straight denim. Beautiful piece of fabric. And like I said, we don't have a lot. We don't get it often because it all goes overseas, but it is wonderful. One blue, one white. Wonderful. So this is our main fabric that we're doing. This is called a Digitech. And this Digitech fabric, what that just means is it's literally, it's not printed, it's woven. The pattern is woven into the fabric. And so what that just means is that it will last longer, it will hold up more, it won't fade the colors because they're not printed on, they're woven within. So then what I did is, this is our main fabric, I picked up all the auxiliary pieces that would go with it. They're all Alexander Wang. But you're gonna see, for instance, this is the lighter color in here, and then we have the darker color, and then we have the orange, and then we have the matching, it's kind of a milk color, and then of course the navy, I put the denim with it. So it'd be just a great pairing and just a great way to make a really whole wardrobe. Okay, so having said that, this is like a little bit of a salmon color, salmony pink. It is so soft, I just wish you could feel it. It has stretch in both directions, it is a knit, and it's about a scuba weight, but it has great, incredible drape. It is a cotton poly. Mostly cotton, but it is a cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. The digital print I was talking about, Digitech. And it's got all these beautiful colors in it. You could just really wear it with a myriad of things. And like I said, either side is right. It is 100% cotton. And again, a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a stretch wool. 100% wool. It is stretch. And it is a kind of like a raspberry color. Maybe not that pinky, but it's beautiful. And again, you can see where they all blend together just really nicely. 100% stretch wool. This is a orange cotton poly. You can see the colors in there and how nicely they blend. This orange aid, you know, is everywhere. This is like a scuba weight. Great drape. Stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric. And this is last but definitely not least, it is the milk color that's in here that will go beautifully if you decide to do jacket and pants, however, or a whole pantsuit out of this. This is a cotton silk. It is a twill, so it's a diagonal twill weave. And again, a beautiful piece of fabric. Either side could be used. I can't tell the difference. So you could do either way. You can see one side's a little more milky than the other side, but it is stunning. It is a woven, and again, it's a cotton silk. All right, so the goal, you know, this week. All week we're gonna have great fabrics, great prices, and this is our beginner. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.